Hello, you're welcome to my channel Black Angel202 and my name is Frank. Today in this video I will show you how to gain views on your YouTube channel even if you're having 0 subscribers. So all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notification whenever I drop a new video. Don't forget that in this channel I teach how to grow your social media platform, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to do video editing and how to make money online. Kindly subscribe to my channel and follow for more. If you are searching for how to gain views on your YouTube channel, this video is for you. Turn on the bell icon so you get more updates whenever I drop a new video. Let's check it out. Welcome back again. Here are the things that you're going to do that will help YouTube to suggest your video to people. The first thing you need to do is check out what people are looking for. Check out what people are looking for on YouTube. You go to YouTube, you search for what people are looking for. YouTube will suggest for you. Then select one of that video and make a video that looks like that one, that relates to that particular video, and drop it. YouTube will help you to suggest your video to people that are looking for that kind of video. And second, create thumbnail. Thumbnail help your video to generate more views. If you like, create a video on how to make billion naira. If your YouTube thumbnail is not good enough, no one will recognize the video, nobody will watch it. And the second thing you need to do is tag channel, hashtag this, hashtag that, hashtag videos that have million views, hashtag channel that have million subscribers. And fourth you need to do is check out what is trending. Tag whatever that you see that is trending, make video about it, and YouTube will suggest your video to people out there, people that are looking for such videos. That's all you need to do for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here are the things that I know that have been helping me since I created my YouTube channel. My channel is 1 month plus today and it has gotten much views and subscriber. Thank you for following up and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Love you guys.